Hello, everyone. I'm just going to do this check-in just because I know we're all used to doing Saturday check-ins, and this week we don't have a new chapter to review because it's a holiday week. I know you do have some class this week, but I'm giving you a break. Of course, we're extending week 12 into this week, so your information that's due, your homework that's due, is not actually due until the 28th. So the homework that's due for health literacy is not due until 11/28. I'm sure you saw that in our course schedule, which I can pull up here in a minute. But overall, I just want to say thanks for all you're doing. You know, we're in the holiday season in regards to Thanksgiving, and I just want to thank you for your efforts and all the challenging um, things you've done in this class, especially with our APA paper. You all really excelled at that, and I appreciate the hard work and effort. But just to review the course schedule, of course, health literacy homework is due on 11/28, and then on 11/28 we start cultural sensitivity, which is a really important chapter, and I know you're going to enjoy it. After that, we're on to preparing for the final exam. We have 2 weeks to talk about that. So we're getting near the end of the course, so take this week, relax as much as you can, finish up the health literacy chapter, and I look forward to talking with you if you have any questions. Thanks so much.